Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech One channel. We are expecting the Samsung Galaxy S21 launch to happen during the Samsung Unpacked event on January 14th. Our new teaser trailer makes this seem even more likely, also hints some new camera features of the phone. Samsung's official YouTube channel posted this video. While it's only 27 seconds long, there's a lot of things we can see snaps of the camera array, a graphic of the chipset, a side-on view of the phone, lots of people dancing and jumping off things. That's sure to get you excited for the new phone. Of course, there's also their iteration of the time as well as date of the Samsung Unpacked event. While it may seem that this is merely a hype trailer for the upcoming Galaxy S21, if you read between the lines, there are some new features hinted at here. Some points in the video, certain new camera modes are teased or even explicitly shown off. If you jump to 12-second, just a clip of people recording video, right? Well, if you look again you will see it's recording from both the rear and front cameras. This shows us Samsung is going to the way of Huawei, Xiaomi, Apple, lots of other phone companies in offering a mode where you can record from both cameras at once at 17 seconds. We are shown a panning video of someone in dark alley, which then cuts to a well-lit photo of them. This seems to be teasing an improved version of the night mode photography that can make dark settings look brighter and more detailed than a standard photo. Perhaps we would see a portrait mode version of that too. Those are seemingly all the camera features used in the video, although we may have missed some. The Samsung Galaxy S21 is expected to launch on January 14th. Judging from everything we have seen so far, the Samsung Galaxy S21 should have faster performance from Qualcomm's new Snapdragon triplet chip, a more sophisticated camera system and a flatter, overall design. We must say that some Galaxy Note features find their way into the S20 lineup. Of course, there are plenty of other things that could be improved. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.